Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after fitness goals, getting those sculpted abs. Whether you're aiming for a six-pack or just looking to strengthen your core, I've got a comprehensive workout routine that will help you achieve your goals. From beginner-friendly moves to advanced exercises, we're covering everything you need to know to build and define your abdominal muscles. So grab your mat, and let's get started on the path to amazing abs. First, bicycle crunches. To perform bicycle crunches, lie flat on your back with your hands lightly behind your head, and your legs raised, bent at a 90-degree angle. Begin by straightening your right leg while bringing your left knee towards your chest, simultaneously twisting your upper body to bring your right elbow towards your left knee. Return to the starting position, then switch sides by straightening your left leg and bringing your right knee towards your chest, twisting your upper body to bring your left elbow towards your right knee. This exercise mimics a pedaling motion and should be done with controlled, deliberate movements while keeping your lower back pressed into the mat. Mountain climbers. To perform mountain climbers, start in a high plank position, with hands shoulder width apart directly under your shoulders, forming a straight line from head to heels. Tighten your abdominal muscles to stabilize your body and prevent your hips from sagging or lifting too high. Begin by bringing your right knee towards your chest, keeping your right foot off the ground, then quickly switch legs, bringing your left knee towards your chest while extending your right leg back. Continue to alternate legs in a quick, running-like motion, ensuring your hands stay planted and your hips remain level. Perform the exercise continuously for 30-60 seconds. Russian twists. To perform Russian twists, sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet slightly off the ground, leaning back at a 45-degree angle to engage your core muscles. Hold a weight, such as a dumbbell or medicine ball, with both hands close to your chest. Twist your torso to the right, bringing the weight towards the floor beside your hip. Then return to the center and twist to the left. Continue alternating sides in a controlled, rhythmic motion, keeping your back straight and core engaged, while avoiding rounding your back or letting your feet touch the ground. Focus on moving through your core rather than just your arms. Plank. To perform a plank, begin by lying face down on an exercise mat with your legs extended and feet together. Place your forearms on the ground, elbows directly beneath your shoulders, with forearms parallel and hands either flat or clasped. Push up onto your forearms and toes, engaging your core to lift your body into a straight line from head to heels, ensuring hips don't sag or rise. Keep your head and neck neutral by looking at a spot on the floor ahead. Tighten your core, glutes, and quadriceps for stability, and hold the position for 20-30 seconds, increasing duration as you build strength. Maintain proper form with steady breathing, avoiding common mistakes like sagging hips, elevated hips, hunched shoulders, and misaligned neck. Hanging leg raises. To perform hanging leg raises, hang from a pull-up bar with your arms fully extended, and your grip shoulder width apart, forming a straight line from head to feet. Tighten your abdominal muscles to stabilize your body and avoid swinging. Keeping your legs straight, slowly lift them towards your chest, allowing your hips to curl slightly and your lower back to come off the bar. Aim to bring your legs as high as possible, ideally to hip height or higher. Then slowly lower them back to the starting position, maintaining control and avoiding any swinging or loss of core tension. That's it for today's ab workout, everyone. Consistency is key, so make sure to incorporate these exercises into your routine a few times a week. Remember, a healthy diet and overall fitness are essential parts of achieving those defined abs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. And I will also recommend you to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on screen now. And I'll see you in the next video. Keep pushing towards your fitness goals.